You may already know that your brand can and should have a personality, but did you also know that your brand can have a voice? In fact, having a consistent brand voice and using it when you're just starting out is really important. Let's have a look at 4 reasons why. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that stands out to their dream clients. And if you want to stand out, you've got to have a brand voice. You've got to know it and use it. Here are 4 reasons why brand voice matters. Number 1, be more relatable. Nobody actually wants to do business with a business, right? We'd all rather have a more personal experience. By using a brand voice, your business will be more relatable by letting your copy sound like it's coming from an actual human as opposed to a robot. Ultimately, your audience will be more likely to like you and be more likely to work with you. Number 2, stand out in the crowded online space. Having a unique voice is what will set you apart from others that are offering similar services. As I've mentioned before, we all have unique qualities, and we've got to let those unique qualities shine through. Those are the things that often make our message memorable. Number 3, create more brand recognition. I know you've probably heard me talk about how important it is to be consistent with your brand visuals so that your audience can start recognizing your brand when they see it. Well, your brand voice works the same way. In fact, it helps to amplify your visuals, which guarantees that your communication is coming across in a solid and cohesive way. And number 4, develop trust. I've said it before and I'll say it again, consistency equals trust. So when you develop a consistent brand voice and use it across all of the different platforms, people know what to expect from you and they'll begin to trust you. And this is key because people buy from those they trust. Now, if you're in the beginning stages of your business and you're already strategizing your brand voice, then good job. This is something that's so great to nail down when you're just starting out. Now, you might be wondering, where do I go from here? Where do I even start and what do I do next? And if that's the case, then you've got to get your hands on my 30 Days to Launch Playbook. It's a free resource that will show you step by step what you need to do for the next 30 days to get your business up and running online. And if you're enjoying all of these tips and tricks, go ahead and hit subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.